There are many people who don't like to go outside. Instead, they prefer spending time laying or sitting in a dark room or listening to loud music on headphones. Do you know that by doing this, you are severely harming your brain? In the next few minutes, I will discuss 11 habits that damage the brains and ways to overcome these damage. So let's commence with the main points. Most of the information is present in here is collected from various research reports, including those from the United States, Harvard Medical College, and the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. Excessive stress and sedentary lifestyle. Working under intense stress for long period can kill brain cells and shrink the frontal cortex, damaging memory and cognitive functions. Researchers say that people who are extremely perfectionists cannot say no and avoid seeking help from others suffer the most from mental stress. Therefore, it is crucial to avoid taking excessive stress by any means. Many continue work by exerting mental force even when sick. However, one must remember that when the body is sick, the brain is busy fighting off disease. So it is essential to give the brain rest instead of additional pressure. Otherwise, there will be long-term adverse effects. Similarly, a sedentary lifestyle is also harmful. Many people work in jobs where they sit all the day and then spend their time holidays laying around doing without any physical movement. This increases the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes, all of which can lead to dementia. To keep your brain healthy, exercise regularly. Try standing up and moving every half hour. You can even set a timer for this. Aim to work for at least 30 minutes 3 times a week. Inadequate sleep. According to the United States Premier Neurology and Wellness Center, the greatest harm to the brain occurs due to insufficient sleep. For adults, adequate sleep is considered to be 7 to 8 hours within a 24-hour period. During sleep, the brain rests, clears toxins, and generates new cells. If you sleep for less than 7 hours, new cell generation does not occur, leading to memory problems, difficulty focusing, irritability, and poor decision making. Lack of sleep also increases the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Solution: sleep at least 7 hours every night. 8 hours is even better. To achieve this, go to bed at least an hour before your intended sleep time. Avoid using device and create a sleeping friendly environment. Clean the bedroom, dim the lights, and ensure your bedding and room temperature are comfortable. Also, never sleep with your head covered, as it reduces oxygen intake and increases carbon dioxide inhalation, leading to oxygen deficiency in the brain. Skipping breakfast. After fasting all night, the energy needed for the day's activities come from breakfast. Skipping breakfast can lower blood sugar levels, which directly affects brain function. Over time, skipping breakfast can lead to brain cell damage and reduce cognitive functionality. Therefore, never skip breakfast. Inadequate water intake. About 75% of the brain is water. Keeping it hydrated is crucial for its functioning. A lack of water causes brain tissues to shrink and reduces cell efficiency, which affects logical thinking and decision-making abilities. An adult should drink at least 2 liters of water a day, depending on factors like weight, health, age, lifestyle, and climate. The required amount may vary. Excessive online searching. It's good, better, no doubt. It's increase our knowledge, but we wasting time mostly. Earlier generations could do small calculations without calculators, memorize phone numbers, and had a wealth of general knowledge because of extensive reading. These habits exercised their brain, sharpening their memory and thinking skills. Today, over-reliance on technology has weakened the brain's natural abilities. To keep your brain sharp, Try to remember information instead of searching online for everything. Additionally, engage in brain stimulating games like word puzzles and matching games, listening to loud music, and use headphones. Using headphones or earbuds at high volume for even less than 30 minutes can damage your hearing. High volume music or loud environments can cause irreversible hearing loss. Researchers from the United States suggest that hearing loss damages brains tissue and increases the risks of Alzheimer's disease. It also hampers concentration and learning ability. Therefore, think twice before using headphones or playing loud music. If you must, do not exceed 60% volume and take a break after every hour. Avoid head banging while listening to music, as it can severely damage brain cells, according to the British Medical Journal. Isolation and a lack of socialization. Talking, chatting, and socializing are essential for brain health. Spending too much time alone has a similar negative impact as sleep deprivation. Social interaction stimulates the brain. Without it, depression, anxiety, and even dementia and Alzheimer's disease risks increase. Spend time regularly with a few positive-minded friends and family members. Negative thinking and negative people. Constant negative thinking, like believing you are a failure, the world is terrible, the future is hopeless, seriously damages the brain. It increases the mental stress, depression, and anxiety, while also causing amyloid and tau protein buildup in the brain, leading to dementia and Alzheimer's. When negative thoughts arise, immediately try to stop them. Practice this regularly until it becomes a habit. If you cannot manage alone, seek help from a psychiatrist and avoid negative people. Limit exposure to excessively negative news as well. Spending time in darkness. Research shows that spending too much time on screen in dark, enclosed places with little air and light circulation puts severe pressure on the brain. Sunlight exposure is crucial for brain health. Lack of sunlight can lead to depression and other mental health problems. To maintain brain health, get sunlight daily, open doors and windows if staying indoors. Excessive screen time severely affects brain size and development, especially damaging frontal cortex, which develops from adolescence until about 25 years old. Research shows that children who spend more than 7 hours a day in front of a screen experience thinning of the cerebral cortex. Electromagnetic fields from mobile phones can cause headache, confusion, and even brain tumors. Reduce screen time, especially for children. Do not sleep with your phone close to your body. Keep it in your bag rather than in your pocket. Use speaker mode during long calls instead of holding the phone to your ear. Texting is safer than calling. Unhealthy eating habits. Overeating even healthy food can harm the brain. Exclusive eating leads to cholesterol buildup in the brain's arteries, reducing blood flow and impairing memory and thinking. Eating junk food, fried items, sugary foods, and soft drinks also puts the brain at similar risks. Therefore, a balanced and moderate diet is crucial. Many people use apps to track daily calories, but it's better to follow a nutritionist's advice for proper diet plan. Remember, diet does not mean eliminating fats completely. About 60% of the brain is composed of fat. Thus, all types of nutrients are necessary but in moderation. Lastly, everyone knows smoking and alcohol are harmful to health, but their worst effects are seen in the brain. They shrink nervous and damage brain cells, preventing the hippocampus, the memory storage center, from developing properly, leading to Alzheimer's, dementia, and even hypoxia in the brain. So yeah, this is for today. See ya.